Amen. Welcome back. Once again, I say to you, welcome back. Now, what will we talk? Here, have to or has to. We want to discuss about have to or has to. Sorry. How to use that? And what is have to or what is have to? Okay. In English, have to or has to is used to express certainty, necessity, and obligation. Okay. And in bahasa, it is harus, have to or has to itu di dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah harus ya. Harus ini digunakan untuk mengungkapkan kepastian, kebutuhan, dan kewajiban. Okay, let's talk one by one. What is the difference about have to and has to? Artinya sama-sama harus, but penggunaannya itu difference ya. Kalau have to, subjeknya adalah I, you, they, and we. Okay, yang menggunakan have to, it is I, you, they, we. Ya, all of these subject are used have to, and then you can add another words like I have to feed the dog. Saya harus memberi makan anjing, boleh ya. You have to shovel the snow. Okay, they have to wash the car. We have to go to the dentist. Ini sebuah kepastian ya. Have to di sini harus artinya. Oke. What about has to? Has to it is used by she, he, only both of them. Hanya yang dua itu aja ya. And then you can add another words of sentence. Like this. She has to feed the dog. She has to shovel the snow. He has to wash the car. He has to go to the dentist. Oke, sekarang kamu sudah tahu ya, yang mana menggunakan have to dan yang mana menggunakan has to. I tell you once again, the subject that use have to are I, you, they, and we. And the subject that use has to are she and he. Okay, let's continue our discussion. Example. We make some example for today. What do they have to do? Kalau kita bertanya, kita menggunakan auxiliary verb here, kata kerja bantu. Kata kerja bantu yang kita gunakan adalah do. Oke, nanti teacher terangkan. In positive sentence, subject, have to, and then complement ya. Subjeknya they, have to, dan complementnya, pelengkapnya. Oke. They have to. Jadi nggak harus kamu bilang lagi they do have to rake the leaves. Not like that. But you directly subject and then have to and then complement. Okay? They have to rake the leaves. How about in negative answer, teacher? Like this. They don't. Ya, don't ini dari mana, teacher? Tadi kan kita bertanya pakai auxiliary verb, kata kerja bantu do kan? Sekarang kata kerja bantunya itu kita pakai juga di negatif. Oke? Di negatif, tapi kita buat ke dalam bentuk negatif. Oke? Jadi subject, auxiliary verb, and then have to, and then complement. Mereka tidak harus. Artinya don't have to, tidak harus. Oke? Take the leaf. Mengambil atau mengumpulkan daun atau membersihkan daun, begitu ya. Next. Nah, di sini there is the difference. Tadi kan yang pertama teacher mereka pakai do, kenapa kok yang kedua ini pakai does? What is the difference? Ya. Jadi, yang teacher bilang tadi ada she dan he, auxiliary verb yang mereka butuhkan itu hanya does. Mereka tidak bisa menggunakan do. Ya. She tidak bisa menggunakan do. Jadi auxiliary verb yang kita butuhkan adalah does. Oke, dalam bentuk pertanyaannya begini. What does she have to do? Loh, teacher tadi kan perjanjiannya kalau she sama he itu kan pakai has to. Oke. Nah, has to itu digunakan hanya dalam kalimat positif, ya, hanya dalam kalimat positif. She has to go to the dentist. Nah, teacher kenapa? Kok tadi di kalimat positifnya pakai has to, tapi kalau di interrogatifnya dia pakai have to? Iya, karena kita sudah menggunakan does di sini. Oke? Nah, she has to go to the dentist. Ini bentuk positifnya. Nah, how about in negative sentence like this? Pay attention. She, kita kembali menggunakan auxiliary verb-nya, tapi dalam bentuk negatif. Ingat ya. She doesn't have to. Loh, teacher kenapa nggak pakai has to lagi? Ya, karena kita sudah menggunakan does di sini. Oke? Jadi ketika ada kata does, has to itu beralih menjadi have to. Oke, mengerti ya sampai di sini? Do you understand? Oke, I hope so. And then you can add the complement. Another example. What do we have to do? Oke, auxiliary verbnya do. Kenapa? Karena subjeknya we. I tell you once again, kalau auxiliary verbnya do, yang menggunakannya adalah I, you, they, and we. Oke? Dan yang menggunakan does, only two subject. In this case ya, di dalam case ini, itu yang menggunakan does. Next, we have to water the plants. In negative sentence, we use auxiliary verb don't. We don't have to water the plants. Okay? And the last example is, what does he have to do? Seperti yang teacher jelaskan tadi, ketika kita menggunakan does dalam bentuk pertanyaan, has to yang tadinya harus pakai he, harusnya pakai has to, kita kembalikan dia ke bentuk have to. Oke? Nah, in positive sentence, kamu langsung ganti automatically have to-nya menjadi has to. Karena subjeknya adalah she. Atau, here he. Oke? Ya, he has to go shopping. And the last, he, here not she, but he doesn't. Doesn't-nya ini adalah auxiliary verb yang digunakan karena subjeknya adalah he. He doesn't have to. Nah, have to-nya ini kita kembalikan dari has to. Kenapa? Karena kita sudah menggunakan auxiliary verb does di sini. Go shopping. I hope you can understand what I have explained before. And now we will continue with our here they are.
Module 2. Workbook. Let's play. Activity 1. Listen and number 1 to 5. 1.
What do you have to do after school?
I have to go to the dentist. My tooth hurts.
2. What does Tina have to do on Saturday?
She has to help her dad wash the car.
3.
Would you like to go to the park?
We can't. We have to do our homework.
Okay. Let's go after we finish.
4.
Where's Maria?
She can't come.
Why not? What does she have to do?
She has to go shopping with her dad. 5.
What do you have to do today?
I have to clean my room. What about you?
Me too.
Alright, we will continue in activity 2. Nah, look at activity 1 and then answer the question. Ya, yang tadi sudah kamu jawab, you have number it, and then you have to answer this. What does she has to do? Yang A. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, she has to wash the car. And then look at activity 1 again. Yang B. Here. Okay. Now, what does he have to do? Yes, he has to go to the dentist. Oke, kenapa teacher kok nggak pakai have to? Seperti yang teacher jelaskan tadi, because the subject is he. Oke, don't forget to pay attention for the subject. Nah, and then look at activity 3. Look and write. Use have to or has to. Oke, nah, Bill and Gina have to do a lot of things this morning. Okay, nah, Bill and Gina, this is more than one. Jadi mereka pakai have. Itu mereka, more than one people. Okay, makanya pakai have to. Nah, they have to get up at 7:30. Okay. Nah, next, what will they do next? They have to. Kenapa pakai have to? Karena subjeknya adalah they. They itu adalah Bill and Gina. Okay, Bill, Phil and Gina, or they have to make my bed. Okay, and no, don't use my bed, but they have to make their bed. Okay, you can continue until the last activity at 10 o'clock. Okay, until here our video for today. I hope you can understand what I have example. Don't forget to text me about your workbook. Okay, I will wait. Thank you for watching and stay healthy. Don't forget to physical distancing with your friend and your family, and don't forget to wash your hand. May God bless you. Bye bye.